How to redeem and use Tango gift card online. Welcome back to the channel, and let's jump right into the video. Open up a preferred browser and type in tangocard.com. This is the redemption website. Now from here, you have to go ahead and log in into your Tango gift card account. Now once you are logged in, you will see various of catalog with their desired gift. To redeem your gift card, the first method is to visit your reward link. You have to select the option of redeem, which will be given in your reward link. When you select the option of reward, you can browse the catalog and select your desired gift card or rewards. Now in the dialog box given, you can go ahead and enter your gift card code, that is your 16-digit code. By adding your gift card, you have to provide your name, email address, and confirm your agreement to complete the checkout process. Once done, check the Complete My Order to finalize redemption. If you have a physical Tango gift card, you can select the option of Redeem a Tango Card option, which will be in your user icon at the top. From where you can select the option of Activate, then enter your Tango card number and PIN. Once activated, you can typically use the fund directly online at participating retailers that accept Tango card. And this is your alternative way if you have a physical Tango gift card instead of your reward link. And it's a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.